Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use the fingerprint scanner on your Huawei P20 and P20 Pro smartphone to perform multiple tasks. So let's start it. So to set up the fingerprint ID on your Huawei P20 or P20 Pro, first of all you need to go to the settings and then scroll down and go to the security and privacy part. Just tap on this and here you will find the option called fingerprint ID. Just tap on this and on the next screen you will find three options, that's pattern, pin and password, and this is mandatory to select one of the option in case if fingerprint ID is not working for whatever reason. So you can select any of them. I'm going to select pin, and here you can select the pin. So let's make it an easy one. 1 2 3 4. You can select from 4 to 16 digit. Tap on continue, repeat the pin once again, 1 2 3 4, tap on OK. So now you will get the options that you can use with your fingerprint ID. So the very first one is unlock screen, then the second one is access safe, and the third one is access app lock. So in this video I'm just going to show you how to set up the fingerprint ID, and I have already uploaded separate videos about how to use the safe and app lock on your Huawei smartphone using your fingerprint ID. So you can watch them separately by visiting the link given in the description below. So you can just turn on any of these three options depending on your requirements. So let's tap on unlock screen. On the next screen it will show, first of all you need to enroll your fingerprint to use this feature, and here is the warning message that a fingerprint security may be less secure than a complex pattern or strong pin. So just tap on OK, and now what you have to do, you need to put your thumb or finger, whatever finger you are going to use for unlocking the device, on the fingerprint sensor, remove it and keep it back, remove it, keep doing like this. Try to put your finger or thumb from every corner, and you can see that the fingerprint ID is enrolled, and you can even rename it if you want. So if you tap on rename, instead of fingerprint ID 1 you can use Sean, tap on OK, whatever is your name, and once again you will go back to this screen where you can select the access safe and app lock. Once again you can watch our previous video to see how this feature works, the safe and app lock on your Huawei smartphone. These are very nice and productive features that are inbuilt on the device itself in the Emotion UI, and you must use it for better privacy and security. And if you tap on access safe or access app lock, you can see that it is asking to enable safe first. Same will happen with app lock as well. So you can watch our previous videos to get the better idea how to configure the safe and app lock on your Huawei P20 and P20 Pro. And then you can enroll more fingerprint as well. You can do 4 more. You can total enroll 5 fingerprint ID on your Huawei P20 or P20 Pro. And then there is fingerprint recognition, and then if you put your finger on the sensor, then it will show that which fingerprint belong to this particular finger. So you can see there is just one, so it is showing my name here. And now let's give it a try. So our device is locked right now. If I try it one more time, and you can see that how quick and perfect is the fingerprint ID on Huawei P20 Pro or P20 smartphone. It's really fast and very accurate each time. So this is how you can set up the fingerprint ID on your Huawei P20 or P20 Pro smartphone. Thanks for watching the video friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on reviews like this. You can also get in touch with me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram by visiting the links given in the description. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.